Hot water will turn into ice faster than cold water. The strongest muscle in the body is the tongue. Ants take rest for around 8 minutes in 12-hour period. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect themselves from the blowing desert sand. When the moon is directly overhead, you will weigh slightly less. -40 degrees Celsius is exactly the same as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Women blink nearly twice as much as men. You can't kill yourself by holding your breath. It is physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky. The sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," uses every letter in the English language. People say bless you when you sneeze because when you sneeze, your heart stops for a millisecond. If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. It is impossible to lick your elbow. The sixth sheep sick is said to be the toughest tongue twister in the English language. Wearing headphones for just an hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. 99% of people who read this will try to lick their elbow.